Changes in the color of your teeth may be subtle and happen gradually. Some yellow coloring may be inevitable. Teeth can look more yellow or darken, especially as you age. As the outer enamel wears away, the yellowy dentin underneath becomes more visible. Dentin is the second layer of calcified tissue beneath the outside enamel layer. If you're looking to whiten your teeth, you do have some alternatives to conventional methods. Please be careful with at-home whitening because you may damage your teeth if products are used incorrectly or for too much time. You may wear away too much of your enamel, which could put you at risk for sensitivity and cavities. Here are 7 natural remedies for getting rid of yellow teeth. Number 1. Brushing your teeth. Your first plan of action should be to brush your teeth more often and in the correct manner. It's especially important that you brush after consuming foods and drinks that can lead to yellow teeth. However, be careful with brushing immediately after consuming acidic foods and drinks. Brushing right away can make the acids brush away more enamel and lead to erosion. Brush your teeth at least twice a day for 2 minutes at a time. Make sure you get into all the cracks and crevices. Brush your teeth gently in a circular motion to ensure you're protecting your gums. Brush the inside, outside, and chewing surfaces of your teeth. Using an electric toothbrush may also be more effective in removing surface stains. Number 2. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Using a paste made of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide is said to remove plaque buildup and bacteria to get rid of stains. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide to make a paste. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water after brushing with this paste. You can also use the same ratio of ingredients to make a mouthwash, or you can try baking soda with water. You can purchase baking soda and hydrogen peroxide online. A study found that people who used a toothpaste containing baking soda and peroxide got rid of tooth stains and whitened their teeth. They showed significant improvements after 6 weeks. Number 3. Coconut oil pulling. Coconut oil pulling is said to remove plaque and bacteria from your mouth, which helps to whiten teeth. Always shop for a high-quality organic oil which you can purchase online that doesn't contain harmful ingredients. Swish 1 to 2 teaspoons of liquid coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 30 minutes. Don't let the oil touch the back of your throat and don't swallow the oil as it contains toxins and bacteria from your mouth. Spit it into the toilet or waste paper basket as it could clog drains. Rinse your mouth with water and then drink a full glass of water. Then brush your teeth. There are no specific studies that confirm the teeth whitening effect of oil pulling. However, a study found that oil pulling using sesame oil and sunflower oil reduced gingivitis caused by plaque. Oil pulling could have a whitening effect on teeth as plaque buildup can cause teeth to turn yellow. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can be used in very small amounts to whiten your teeth. Make a mouthwash by mixing 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar with 6 ounces of water. Swish the solution around for 30 seconds. Then rinse with water and brush your teeth. The research found that apple cider vinegar has a bleaching effect on cow teeth. However, it should be noted that it has the potential to cause damage to the hardness and surface structure of your teeth. So use it with caution, and only use it for short amounts of time. Number 5. Lemon, orange, or banana peels. Some people claim that rubbing lemon, orange, or banana peels on your teeth will make them whiter. It's believed that the compound D-limonene and/or citric acid, which is found in some citrus fruit peels, will help to whiten your teeth. Gently rub the fruit peels on your teeth for about 2 minutes. Make sure to thoroughly rinse out your mouth and brush your teeth afterward. Scientific research proving the effectiveness of using fruit peels to make teeth whiter is lacking. A 2010 study looked at the effect of a toothpaste containing 5% limonene in removing teeth stains resulting from smoking and tea. People who brushed with a toothpaste containing D-limonene combined with a whitening formula twice daily for 4 weeks significantly reduced smoking stains, though it didn't remove long-standing smoking stains or tea stains. Another study tested the potential of citric acid extracts from 4 different types of orange peel as a teeth whitener. They were shown to have varying abilities on whitening teeth, with tangerine peel extract achieving the best results. Be careful when using this strategy because fruits are acidic. The acid can erode and wear away your enamel. If you notice that your teeth are becoming more sensitive, please stop using this method. Number 6. Eating fruits and vegetables with a higher water content. It's said that eating raw fruits and vegetables with a high water content can help to keep your teeth healthy. The water content is thought to cleanse your teeth and gums of plaque and bacteria that lead to yellow teeth. Chewing on crunchy fruits and vegetables at the end of a meal may increase saliva production. This can help to remove food particles that are stuck in your teeth and wash away any harmful acids. While there's no doubt that a diet high in fruits and vegetables is good for your dental and overall health, there's not a lot of scientific evidence that supports these claims. That said, eating these healthy foods throughout the day certainly won't do any harm. Research found that vitamin C deficiency can increase the severity of periodontitis. While the study didn't look at the whitening effect of vitamin C on teeth, it links high plasma vitamin C levels to healthy teeth. The research suggests that the high levels of vitamin C can reduce the amount of plaque that causes teeth to become yellow. These are just guidelines. Before making any changes to your health, lifestyle, and diet, please consult with your medical doctor first. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.